Good day and welcome to this class. In our last class, we considered how we can convert from base 10 to other bases. So in this class today, we consider how to convert from other bases to base 10. Now, let's solve these questions. It says, question 1 says, convert 101101 in base 2 to base 10. Solution. To convert from other bases to base 10, we apply a particular method, which I'll show you us in this class. We have 101101 in base 2. Now, we are going to apply the method of expansion. Now, we know that from our knowledge of place value, we have the units, the tens, the hundred, and so on. So the first number here indicates unit. The next number indicates tens, hundred, thousand, and so on. So we are going to attach 0 for the unit, attach 1 for the tens, attach 2 for the hundred, and so on. So we have this. If we attach 0 here, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. That implies that this is equals to, we multiply here 1 times 2. 1 times 2 to the power of, if we apply 0 here, 1, 2, 3, 4, here we have 5. So that will be equals to 1 times 2 to the power of 5. Plus, the next number here is 0. So we have 0 times 2 to the power of 4. Plus, next number here is 1. We have here 1 times 2 to the power of 3. Plus, next number is 1. We have 1 times 2 to the power of 2. Plus, next number is 0. We have 0 times 2 to the power of 1. Plus, the last number here is 1. We have 1 times 2 to the power of 0. All right, so at this point, we have equals to, note this from the knowledge of indices, that here, if we have 2 to the power of 5, this implies 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. And we have 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 2, 8. 8 times 2, 16. 16 times 2, that's 32. So this gives us 32. So that means that here is 1 times 32. 1 times 32. Plus, here is 0 times 2 to the power of 4. Now, since this times 0, everything here will give us 0. So no need for us to multiply this out. We simply write 0 because it is multiplied with 0. All right, we now have the next one plus 1 times 2 cubed. 2 cubed here implies 2 to the power of 3. That implies 2 times 2 times 2. 2 by 2, 4. 4 by 2, 8. So we have here 1 times 8 plus, next number is 1 times 2 square. 2 square is 4. That's 2 times 2. That implies 1 times 4. And the last one is 0. Or the second to the last one is 0. So we have here is equals to 0. Anything times 0 will give us 0. Plus 0. And finally plus 1 times 2 to the power of 0. Note this from our 0 index. If we have y to the power of 0, this implies 1. So if we have a number raised to the power of 0, apart from 0, this number will give us 1. So that implies that 2 to the power of 0 is 1. 1 times 1 is 1. So that means here is going to be 1. So at the point we have, this is equals to 1 times 32 is 32 plus 1 times 8 is 8 plus 1 times 4 is 4 and plus 1, which is the last one. So this gives us equals to 32 plus 8, that's 40. 40 plus 5, that's 45. 45 in base 10. Next question says convert 210 in base 3 to base 10. Now the same process is applied. 210 in base 3. Now, from what I said earlier, when we have this number, we apply the knowledge of place value. The first number here represents the unit. The second number represents the tens, and so on and so forth. So here will be the hundreds. So we have that for the units, we have the 0 attached to it. The tens, we have the 1 attached to it. We have for the 100 here, we have 2 attached to it. So at this point, we have this, that this equals to, the first number here is 2. 2 multiplied by the base 3, raised to the power 3. That becomes 2 times 3 to the power of 2 plus. Next number is 1. 1 times the base raised to the power. That means 1 times 3 to the power of 1 plus. The last number is 0. So that means 0 times 3 to the power of 0. That equals to, here is 2 times 3 squared. This is equals to 2 times 3 squared implies 3 times 3, and that is equals to 9. So this is 9 plus 1 times 3 is 3 plus, since here is 0, whatever we have times 0 will give us 0. So here will be equals to 0. This equals to 2 times 9 is 18 plus 3. And this equals to 18 plus 3 gives us 21 in verse 10. So therefore, the number 210 in verse 3 equals to 21 in verse 10. All right, so at this point, I'll give us this little exercise to practice and drop the solution on the comment section. Let's try this as exercise. Exercise. I want us to convert the number 11101 in verse 2 to verse 10. So let's do this as an exercise and then drop the solution on the comment section.